Here for quick and easy and cheap DIY lighting like this for your YouTube channel, this is the right video for you. Stay tuned. Kia ora, it's your boy Michael and welcome back to another video. And by the way, if you haven't followed me yet on my Instagram account and also my TikTok profile, please do so, and I would really appreciate if you do that. And now let's get back to business. So what are the things that you need? First, you'll be needing a baking pan. Make sure it's silver and shiny inside. I purchased this in a dollar shop. I think it's only $3 to $5. Second one would be LED strip, which is USB. Next one would be a diffuser. This would just soften the light. You can also use a pillowcase or anything you have at home. I got this at the dollar shop for I think $2 to $3 as well. And of course, you'll be needing a scissor and a glue gun. Let's start. There is actually a backing that you can remove, and this will be the one that we're gonna stick to the side of the baking pan. Now, if you do have like a taller baking pan, that would actually be better, but this is the only one that I've seen on the store, so this is the only option that I have. You can also purchase online, but again, our main goal is actually to save and not to really spend a lot of money. That's why I actually got this only for $3 to $5, as I said. So let's go. Stick it all around. If I forget we had plans. So what's gonna happen is the light will be bouncing inside this, and then it would create this light that would also give a nice lighting on your face. As you can see, it's already all over this pen. Let's try it out. There you go. It's giving this nice light. You can use this. See how much better that is. But I think for me, that's just too bright. There's a reason why I have this diffuser, just to soften the light. As you can see, there is a big difference in the lighting. I usually just have one light on one side of my face, brighter on this side and also darker on this side. It just creates a little effect. And I don't really want to have a lighting that's direct on my face, especially if you have glasses, like specs like me. This is not really good because you'll see the circles on your glasses. It really reflects. That's the reason why I usually have it on this side. And to show you, let me just turn this off. Okay, I'm using this softbox that I purchased online. It's actually a good lighting. As you can see, it really lights my face very well. And yes, with diffuser, this is what the diffuser is, the cloth that actually softens the light. So let's do this. Let's complete this project. When I feel like breaking down, ooh, you'd be there to hold my hand. Lost in my head, pull me back to bed. Oh, oh, when I feel like I got nothing left, I got you. I got you. So I managed to finish and put the three diffusers in here. So let's take a look and try how it would look like. There you go. Okay, let me just turn off my softbox and let's check if there's a difference. See, and this is how my light is. It's a big difference. This will be the softbox. As you can see, the softbox have a better lighting because it's even bigger, and of course it's more expensive and used by professionals. I think I purchased the softbox for like 1,500 New Zealand dollars, which is almost like 5,000 pesos. But for this, I've only got it for the cake tray for, let's say, $5, LED strip for $3, that's $8, plus this diffuser for $3, that's basically $11. Let's just say less than $15 compared to $150. It's really doing a nice job. So my plan would be to add it on the other side, so it has this nice lighting both sides. So I guess this is it for now. We managed to finish our own softbox, which is really cheap and quick and easy to do. Only less than $15 that I've spent making this whole thing. Okay, it's already 1 o'clock. Let me just have some coffee. It's 1 in the morning. I'm really liking it, like the quality of this compared to the other one. I mean, if you can compare the two, this one that I have, this softbox that I have in here, of course it has better lighting, it's bigger, but I can't complain with this. Like, see, this is $150 and this is $15, like 10%. 150, $15. What can you say? What do you think? The only thing that I'm complaining about this is it's leaving a circular light on my glasses. That's basically it. But aside from that, both of them is actually doing a good job. By the way, if you're still interested to purchase this softbox, it's actually coming in two now. When I purchased this, it's only one. So I think they're giving a promo where this is for two softboxes for only more or less 150 New Zealand dollars. If you're interested to do so, I will put the link on the description down below, so you'll be able to get this baby. So there's two of this softbox now compared to one before, and hopefully you'll be able to, you know, take advantage of the promo that they have. 150, two softboxes, or you can also make whichever you prefer. It's good. By the way, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified on my next video. See you in the next one. Bye.